The FDA team today carried out a surveillance drive on the road towards the airport in the north of Goa in Perne. The Caju shops located towards the way on Mopa and at Patradevi were checked. Around 10 shops were checked, and comparatively the quality of Caju sold on this belt was slightly on the better side as compared to the beach belt. However, we have drawn samples for surveillance, and from these 10 shops we had to close one shop for selling low Caju and without license. Another shop also has been directed to close down, and the stock has been withheld, wherein we will be drawing a formal sample to file a case on this food business operator. One outlet was fined 10,000 rupees under section 69, and some other outlets which are having retail licenses were issued with notices for obtaining permission for repacking. So this has been a summary of the work that we have done today in Perne Mail.